On December 22nd, 2022 in Little Rock, Arkansas State Police initiated a pursuit after a driver fled when troopers activated their emergency lights due to speeding.
I'm in South and West, and I'm just right behind it. Oh, yeah. Hudson and Big Brian.
1038, 1038. Hutchison and Hey, stop!
After crashing into one vehicle and losing control, the driver slammed into another car. Thinking he could escape the mess he caused, he bolted from the scene on foot, but it wasn't long before officers caught up with him and made the arrest.
So what you did?
And now we move from Little Rock to Pacoima in Los Angeles. The police call center received 4 separate reports of a white van crashing into vehicles and fleeing the scene. Check it out.
Cali City 911, operator 376. CHP with a transfer for a hit and run. Go ahead, sir.
Oh yeah, hi. So I just was involved in a hit and run crash. It's I think I got the correct plate for it, but it was
Does anyone need a paramedic?
No, everyone's fine. I parked on the side.
And so they didn't stop?
No, they didn't stop. They just left.
Did you see who was driving that car? Was it a man or a woman?
It was a male.
White, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He looked Hispanic.
LA City 911, operator 593.
Hi, they just crashed a guy with the water and power truck, crashed into my mother-in-law's house, and he hit my mother-in-law, my boyfriend.
Does anybody need an ambulance?
Yeah, well, I don't think they need an ambulance.
Okay, so a DWP truck hit your house and hit your mother?
Run the plate? Wait, where's the nigga sign? Yeah, no, just go.
After police located a vehicle matching the descriptions from multiple witnesses, they activated their emergency lights and sirens multiple times. When the driver failed to stop, it was clear they had found the right person.
Pull over. On the V? Good. Alright, we're just going pursuit though. Yeah? Yeah.
What's the UTI?
Is it Stormstone?
Yeah.
696, standby, there's no VT, define DI.
16936, we're going to be in pursuit of the ADW truck going from the DWP incident.
They immediately informed other officers that they were in pursuit.
Right, he went through this parking lot. Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle.
He's reversing,
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around, he's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp.
Hey! Hey, get out!
coming down the ramp.
The driver exited the freeway and traveled to a parking lot on Colorado Boulevard, where he rammed the vehicle into the doors of two police cruisers.
Suspect is running. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on.
Police shot at the stolen vehicle as the man drove into officers. The man remained in the vehicle in a standoff with police for more than 2 hours, behaving erratically and at times wrapping jumper cables around himself. SWAT teams arrived about 7:30 p.m. and boxed in the man in the vehicle. An hour later, he climbed out onto the roof of the vehicle and was taken into custody.
We're gonna get you some medical help, man. I got his arm. Got his arm. Hey, let me grab his leg. That one. I got his arm. Alright, let's handcuff him.
No! Don't use that! Use the cuff!
Okay, handcuffs. Okay, handcuffs. We need to get him on the ground. Let's get him on the ground. Want to get him on the ground?
No! No!
I got one arm.
Señor, esa es su voluntad. Yo sé que esta no es su voluntad.
I got this arm. I got his right. Got his right arm. You can let go.
Como siempre me ha salvado. Desde el principio y por los siglos de los siglos. Amén.
And we moved to Turner Turnpike in Oklahoma, where on April 2nd, 2022, troopers spotted the vehicle in Canadian County and attempted to stop the suspect, but he sped up and started shooting at troopers through the back windshield.
Eastbound, say it's Kilpatrick.
Eastbound to Kilpatrick.
.950 City, shots fired. He shot one through the back window. Still pointing the gun.
Still pointing your gun.
Ooh, that was ugly. Said yeah, I've taken one round through the front windshield. He's still continuing to fire. TBI.
After a tactical vehicle intervention, the suspect was surrounded and fatally shot by Oklahoma Highway Patrol. The Oklahoma Police Department later reported that the suspect had also killed an innocent man while firing at officers. We moved to Harris County in Texas, where on July 8th, 2022, based on the police report, Roderick Brooks was shot and killed by a Harris County Sheriff's deputy after a foot chase following an alleged shoplifting incident. The official account states that Brooks managed to get hold of the sergeant's taser, which led to the shooting.
Come here, dude. Come here. Stop, dude. I'm going to tase you. Stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground right now.
Officer used taser and get the suspect on the ground.
Why you tasing me, ho? Get on me, man. Fucking down, you bitch. I'm going to shoot you. Put that down. I will you. You got me, dude. Get on me, ho. Get on me, ho. Dude. shoot.
After the suspect grabbed the officer's taser, the situation took a dramatic turn. The officer made a split-second decision to pull the trigger, resulting in the suspect being shot. This incident has sparked intense debate and raised serious questions. Was this an unavoidable act of self-defense, or could the situation have been handled differently? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Now, we move from Harris County to Little Rock, where we have a pursuit of a stolen Nissan. Arkansas State Police have located the suspect, and the chase is on. Check out this intense pursuit as officers work to bring this situation under control.
Over east, that's state coming up behind you. That's what Little Rock from the westbound primary. Markham, no traffic.
After the trooper got closer, there was no hesitation. A precise TVI maneuver caused the suspect's vehicle to roll over. Surrounded by troopers, the suspect was arrested on the spot. Another swift takedown by Arkansas State Police.
Hey, with me, Tyler. I'm gonna break it. All right. Hey, we're going.
Arkansas State Police pulled over a driver on the highway for speeding. Everything seemed routine until the driver decided to take an unexpected turn. Check out what happens next. Driver suddenly accelerated, and the trooper had to activate his emergency lights and sirens, kicking off a high-speed pursuit. Stay tuned to see how this chase unfolds.
281, eastbound set of black Nissan Altima takeoff on me. TBI.
Where you at?
After a brief but intense pursuit, the trooper executed a successful tactical vehicle intervention, bringing the suspect to a stop. The driver was quickly apprehended and taken into custody.